Good morning. It is Wednesday, October 31st, 2012, here at Whitemarsh Valley Country Club. We just went through the probably one of the toughest storms we've seen in a while here. Hurricane Sandy came through all day Monday into Monday night. Looking around at some of the damage it caused, probably the foremost damage we've had is a 100 and approximately 5-year oak tree that used to be the driveway to the George C. Thomas Jr. Estate House. Fell right on our 18th green. It was a pretty tall tree, probably 20 yards away from the green, and as luck would have it, it fell on the green. Now, there has been some tree work already done to the tree to help remove some of the branches, as you can see by the piles next to the green. Let me take a look here from the very front of the green. I'll kind of give you an approximate affected area. This green is probably around 5,000 square feet. And I would probably have to say damage a little bit more than half. I know we have a couple spots where the falling tree dug into the green a little bit. And again, once we start removing these larger branches, we will probably be able to ascertain the extent of the damage. Well, here's a little portion right here. Right here is a probably 6-inch diameter branch that impaled right into the green. Have another section towards the back of the green. Looks to be about a 12-inch caliper branch. Went right in there. See, the tree didn't snap off. It was basically uprooted, I guess, from the winds, clocked anywhere from 50 to 80 miles an hour. Now I'm standing right in the middle of the green, so this probably would affect your putt a little bit. I've heard of the embedded ball rule, but I guess that embedded branch rule will be in effect today. That's a lot of lumber on that green right now, and we've already had a tree crew out here pulling branches off the green. So it actually looked a lot worse yesterday, right after the storm. And again, compared to the devastation down the Jersey Shore all the way up to New York City, I mean, this is minor. There were lives lost during the hurricane. So again, our thoughts and prayers are with them. Here we're looking at the damage to the driveway. And there we have the root ball. Can't even get it. I would say that section is probably 12 to 15 feet tall of root mass. Right now, the grounds maintenance staff is jumping action to cleaning up the debris around the clubhouse. We're waiting still for electricity to get back on. There's a large tree up by our 9th hole that took out some power lines. Here's our putting green. Overall, looking at the landscape of the golf course. It's not awful out there, but we definitely have some work to do. And this large red oak tree, circa 1900, 1905, this will be a priority. Thank you very much.